Hey, making a little video here for rear cooling on the V8 Veyor. Taking this fan off, which right now I can only drive it about 5 miles and it overheats. So reading and looking at the other systems that are out there, mine was way too tiny. So this fan came off. Now we're going with the Derale. And hopefully this is what's going to cure the problem. Now I put in some air ducts on the top side. Somehow I'll connect that with these fans to draw in outside air. And we'll see how that goes. So this is one other project to get this car roadworthy. Stay in touch.